Nakamaskara ka na you wanna change people, you wanna help other people, gusto mong tulungan sila, gusto mong baguhin, gusto mong magbago yung buhay nila, but in reality, insecure ka kasi. Di ka okay inside. And akala mo, by changing other people, doon ka magbabago. But in reality, kailangan mo munang baguhin yung sarili mo. Next is ego. You're trying to be the superhero. Feeling mo ikaw lagi yung main character. Alright? You're trying to help everyone but you cannot help yourself. So that's the idea. Again, there are people who would protest with big stuff, global warming. Pero sila mismo hindi marunong magtapon ng basura. You will see people in the comment section talking about businesses, taxes, and stuff like that. The big stuff, very self-righteous pero hindi makapaghugas ng pinggan. Hindi marunong maglaba. Hindi nila kayang pakainin yung sarili nila and they don't even know the basic context of responsibility and accountability. And yet, they want people to be accountable. That's ego.